Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Right, we've got a few issues. As you know, we've done all the chassis at the back is completed, so now we're moving down to the front of the vehicle. We've got a couple of issues down here. One being, we have found rather a nasty, can you see that? Rust. Oh, there you go. That's quite bad. This is a shadow down here. So we need to do something with that and get that plated up. The other thing is, whilst doing that, I also noticed down here, there, we have another hole on the support there. So we've got to get that done as well. And the other thing on this particular thing is, we have an oil leak down here. The shadows are a bit bad on this. I can't really make it out, but you might see it from there. Let me have a look from the other side, see if you can see it any better without the shadows off the lights. Oh, there you go. There. Thank you. Anyway, we're going to get this apart and find out what seal has gone. Oh, and also I've just noticed that will have to be replaced as well. So, a few things on the front here. We're going to get this underway and we'll get back to you. We've got this all off now, and this, as you can see from this angle, this is a vented one. You can see how worn it is there. Well, I've just actually got it all loose and off, and as you can see, the back of it is exactly the same, and it looks like the pad on the back has been stuck there. And when I took it off, the pad from the back was a lot thicker than the one from the front, so it's obviously been stuck on. Anyway, this particular Discovery, it's still got 8 months MOT on it, and from the look of that, from the look of all the things that it should have failed on, it should have failed on all this rust underneath here, it should have failed on all of this up here, it should have failed on the chassis at the back. There's no way this car has got to this stage and still got 8 months MOT on it. The front wheel on the opposite side, the disc is exactly the same. It's completely worn through and being vented as well. I mean, obviously, you've only got half of that thickness left on each side. So, I mean, that is really dangerous. And we're still yet to find out what else this car should have failed on, seriously. And it's still got 8 months MOT. So we'll continue finding out as we go along, no doubt, and putting it right as we go. Okay, catch you later. Like and subscribe, please. With this problem, getting the seal out. Now, I've stripped everything off there. The whole thing is out and the shaft is out. And now you can see the seal in there. And what I'm going to use this seal removal tool. Brilliant bit of kit. And if you turn the steering wheel that way, so it's out the way, you can actually hook that in there and pop that seal out there quite easily. It's difficult to get out any other way, but with this tool, absolutely a doddle. So we can discard that one, and we have now got a brand new one to fit in. We've also got the new air filter, we've got the new pads, and we've got the new discs. So I'm going to put this seal in, reassemble all this, get it all back together, and then we can crack on with the next job, which is going to be the welding that I pointed out earlier on, which is all that lot up there. And then that's this side done, and we can look at whatever the next job is. Okay, catch you later. Hello, back to the disco. Right, everything's done now on this particular one. We've got all that on there new, as you can see, new disc, new pads. The seal was also replaced, on the axle, as you saw going on in previous videos, and we've got that all welded up, a steel patch in there, all the old stuff cut out, new patch welded up and undersealed, and we're ready to put the wheel back on here now. So once this is all done now, we can start on the inside with the headliner coming out, seats being cleaned and valeted, and everything else and anything else that we can find. Okay, like and subscribe please. See you later.